It's a 2016 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, active noise cancellation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and V6 engine. The Car Connection observes, inside, the look is uniquely American, and the hand-cut and sewn coverings on the instrument panel and ambient lighting make for a rich environment. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today